Good evening, everybody. This is Jonathan Ryerson back behind the camera, and tonight is gonna be an. I got. I'm gonna show you something that I got yesterday, and I did not buy these or get them off of eBay or anything like that. This came from a building location, but they did come from a building, and I really don't want to tell you for privacy reasons because it's kind of against the rules because the building that I'm at told me not to tell you guys where they come from by by privacy reasons, and please do not guess in the comments, please. Thank you. Listen carefully. The parts that I'm showing you guys tonight, this is a perfect thing to add for my collection, but I will tell you the locations of the building where these are from. And so the first things first, this right here got pulled off of the system because it was broken. It was taped before, and it was pulled from the fire alarm system, and it's missing the key lock. So there's definitely no use for it on the system out and about because it is missing the key lock, and you could see inside there, which is kind of cool. And it's a conventional pull station. This pull station is a Siga-278. Here's the model number right here. Siga-278. And it's an EST, and it's owned by Siemens. Excuse me, guys. I just have a little bit of a stuffy nose. And there's my panel right there, and I'm not messing with that right now. So I test this out on my panel, and it works fine. So this is a Siga pull station, so it's a pretty neat piece to have. So I have another pull station in my collection. Yay! So basically, let's see if it'll pull down. You lift and you pull, and to reset it, I just open it up, and I plan on getting a key lock for this soon. The key lock is not that expensive at all. So I basically got this pull station for free. I didn't have to pay a dime, which is pretty neat. So I have a couple of things for free, including the Spectre Alert Advance horn strobe and the Gentex rebranded Gentex Commander 3 Harrington signal. Rebranded Gentex Commander 3 that I got from my uncle for free. So I got a couple of devices this year that I got for free. And this device over here to the right, this was sitting up in the penthouse for years. It came off the old fire alarm system. So this was pulled from a system upgrade pretty much. So this is it's an EST 2551F photoelectric head. It's a photoelectric smoke detector with the photoelectric head, and it's addressable, so that will not work for my panel. That horn strobe over there, that's not going to be used in the next system test right now. That's not going to be used, but it will be in some other system test in the future. But let's just ignore all my fire alarm notifications that I have in boxes. These are the parts that I'm talking about tonight. So, well, I got these devices for free yesterday, which is really nice. So, the people said I could have it. The people said I could have them. Like, with old parts that they're not going to be using anymore, they would say take anything you want, but don't take the newer parts that they're going to use. So that would be in the no-no zone. So this was outside. These things are outside of the no-no zone. So I was able to save these guys, brought them home, cleaned them up, and now they're home in my collection. Oh, There's my brother Thomas's dog, Sophie. You can see her. She's a Yorkie. There's the Yorkie dog. Get her. Yeah. My brother Thomas's dog is in the way. Sorry. So basically, I hope you guys enjoyed these. I hope you guys enjoyed this follow-up video that I have. I will be able to use this pole station on my panel one day, pretty much. But I can't use this device on my panel because it's addressable and it won't work for my panel. I wish I could, but sadly, it's addressable and I do not have an addressable panel. Sorry, guys, but this will be shown some other time soon. It's a photoelectric head. I think that's a pretty neat piece to have, and I can't test it, and I don't even have a base for it. But that's too bad, but that's alright though. But at least I have another smoke detector and another pole station. Let's give it another pull. It says lift then pull handle. Pull for fire. See? It's activated where it won't go up. Then you open the pole station, flip the toggle switch down. This is pretty much the same thing as the Edwards EST270SPO that I have in my collection, which is metal, but this pole station is plastic. It's got the metal plate on the back. Well, this was smashed by a cart in the loading dock of the building, but that's why it got pulled off of the system, and it's missing the key lock, so the people said I could have it, which is really nice. But I'm not going to really tell you the people for privacy reason, and I really can't tell you the building for privacy reasons, because the people told me not to. Which is kind of a shame, guys. It's not me that's it's not me that's telling myself to not tell that. It's the people at the building, because they don't really want to be like shown on the internet. But that's all right though. At least I can explain it as best I can, guys. You probably guys already know anyway. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of these fire alarm parts that I got that I'm showing tonight. Well, no testing tonight, guys, but so basically that's it. So I hope you guys have a great evening. And it is September 9th, and it's almost 10 o'clock at night. So anyways, guys, that'll be it. See you later.